Hi, I'm Adam. I've got a background in hospitality, which suits the nature of property management very well when it comes to guest experience. I nearly started my own business in short-term management or Airbnb management, but then I came across Pass the Keys. I think I came across one of their adverts on an Instagram advert, and I opened it up, and before I knew it, I was in a discovery call with one of the franchisee managers. And I was amazed by what they could offer us as franchisees and potential partners. Naturally, there are many processes involved in this business, many tasks and lots of admin that needs to be done on a daily basis. With all the technology available to us through Pass the Keys, this streamlines and automates these processes perfectly. When I first joined, they put me in touch with a couple of existing partners in the network, which helped me gain an understanding of how everything works. The many systems, processes, and standard operating procedures are distributed amongst manuals, different articles, and many videos, which I feel overall builds confidence over time for us to then manage our business. On a daily basis, there is admin like with all businesses, but the beauty of it is it's very flexible. I tend to do about 2 to 3 days in the office every week. That'll be split between 2 or 3 days on the road, visiting the lovely properties in the Chilterns or visiting new clients or prospective clients. My long-term goals at Pass the Keys are to become the go-to property management company in the Chilterns and Buckinghamshire. We're already on track for that. We are probably the management company that manages most holiday lets in the area. And I look forward to eventually bringing on a team that can manage it and help manage it for me.